right, so we can use this as a wonderful example. So Mick, what that means is on Amazon, let's also bring up Google as well. On Amazon, when you type a keyword, a search term, cutthroat razor, that's just a search term. Another name for a search term is a keyword. When you type that into Amazon and hit return, you are presented with a big page full of results. And this is called the search engine results page, or SERPs for short. SERPs for short, all right? And on the SERPs, you can see the way that it's laid out is all of these products here have been sponsored to be here. That means they are paying. Well, they ain't paying yet, actually. They're using Amazon PPC to get there, to get to that spot, all right, in the hope that you will click on them. That's what they're trying to do. But we're going to ignore those, and instead, we're going to focus on these. So these are called the organic results. Organic meaning they have not paid. These are free money should it then turn into a sale for you, okay? Organic search results. So dominating the SERPs, search engine results page, or owning a keyword always means you rank page 1, so this is the first page, position 1, 2, 3, or 4. Any of those is good. If you do that, that means you dominate the page, you own the page, you are the king shit of that page. You are top dog of that search engine results page, all right? So that's what it means. Now, let me tell you, I'm going to say on Amazon, it is slightly different depending on which Amazon website you're on, because there are 4 Amazon websites. You may not know that, but there are 4 Amazon websites. So here we are, Amazon.com. I'm on my desktop computer, my Mac, and so we are looking at the desktop version of the Amazon webpage. Amazon also has a tablet version, iPads and things like that, of their website. Amazon also has a mobile version of their website, and they have an app version of their website. So you can download the Amazon app, and that becomes another website. 4 different websites. Each website is treated very, very differently. Extremely differently. 51% of all sales on Amazon come from their app. Think about that. Think about where you are when you're looking at something on the app. You're usually on your smartphone, all right? So you've got a tiny little screen to be using. You've only got that much information that you're using on your smartphone. So that means that this search engine results page is much, much different. Hugely different. So it is a little bit complicated, but let me just say this. On Amazon, if you are on page 1 for any given search term, usually that's okay. If you are on page 2 for any given search term, usually you won't make a sale. It's as simple as that. So you really want to be on page 1 for your search term. Now, shameless plug, just because I know you want me to, my Amazon SEO course, which is at amazonseo.com, breaks down exactly step by step how to dominate the search engine results page for each of those 4 different websites that Amazon uses. And each of them is treated differently, and each strategy is suited to a particular website as well, all right? So I break the whole thing down for you step by step. So if you are wanting to become good at SEO on Amazon, get this course. It is really good. It is the course I get the best feedback about, and it is if you go through it, you'll be in the top 2% of people that understand SEO on Amazon without a shadow of a doubt. It is utterly in depth. So I hope that helps. So dominating the search engines, dominating the SERPs, dominating for a keyword, that's what it means. It means that you get to be up here rather than nowhere. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.